So let's say you've had a great night of using the telescope and stargazing. Now you got to put it away and store it out for the night. So this is what you do. You take the telescope and make sure you get all the eyepieces off. So you unscrew that off. Take the eyepiece, make sure to put those back in your cases. I'll just do that real quickly. There's one. Make sure you get your second eyepiece too, the 20mm and the 10mm. And then you've got your two caps. Definitely remember the big cap goes on the end. Little cap goes on the finder or on the eyepiece. Okay, there we go. And you can ratchet the focuser all the way down. That usually helps as well. But what's the really big important thing to do? And that is to turn the finder scope off. You want to make sure that red light is off. Good, it's all clear, and then that'll save your battery and you're all set. So, caps, finder off, you're all set to go, and well, take it on home.